Greetings to everyone who are watching this video. I am Wendell Mark Pitacora from ISM2B GHCSC Campus Tumingag. As part of these requirements of contemporary world handled by Sir Bilbao, I will share to you a short report on global expansion difficulties. In this talk, I will be sharing 13 difficulties of global expansion. So first, what is global? So the global, it pertains the whole worldwide. So in general, global is different countries and other nations. So next, global expansion. So the global expansion is a process in which companies from one market expand operation into a foreign market. So it means a global expansion that focus in global trading, in how to achieve your economic target. So next, second, third, global expansion difficulties. So you also need to consider that the time of zone difference, language and culture, barriers and different levels of technology, among many other things. Company planning to expand internationally must also prepare for costly land and expensive paperwork. So, as we all know, global expansion difficulties, as there are so many difficulties. So first is, I have mentioned earlier, so the global expansion can be changing and complex process for many companies, and commonly difficulties that companies expanding globally. So muna yung mga difficulties, 13 difficulties. First is cultural difference. So as we all know, as part dito nag-focus sa company, nandiyo na yung mga culture in terms of how you handle your company and differences. So second, language barrier. So if you are hiring different employees, so you need to set a language barrier, which is kanang makasabot mo, maka-communicate mo sa usa-usa. So the next is regulatory compliance. So as we all know, the company need you guys regulatory compliance in terms of information and other more. So the next is linguistical challenges. So as we all know, linguistical challenges, it focus on the problem of the company, which how you handle and how you solve the problem. So next is currency fluctuation. So diha makita ang usa ka flow process sa usa ka company. Next is compliance with the load laws. So in term from the word compliance, it terms that the information that device the local laws. So next, if employee retention. So as we all know, the company dili na siya maka work kung walay employee in terms of retention. So the next is infrastructure and technology. So sa usa ka company, kailangan jud na yung mga equipments, infrastructure, building, and technology. So di na to maisa-isa ang technology basta kay gamit sa usa ka company. Next is quality control. So, diha na musulod ang usa ka management security in terms of control. Then next is marketing and bridging. So, in marketing bridging, diha na sulod ang usa ka sales and other more flows in how to manage your market. Next, influence financial management. So financial management, nadyo na yung mga asset reliability nga dapat makakuha kag source, dapat nakaipunan. Then next is risk management. So as we all know, risk is mga problema, mga danger sa usa ka company. So risk management, imong i-manage ang mga problema maabot sa imong company. Next, data protection and security. So parehara ni sila sa infrastructure and technology. So dapat ang imong information sa imong security dapat protektahan nimo. Dili mo basta-basta ipanghatag sa man. Next is integration with existing operation. So ang nakamanage na niya kaya ang security management yun siya, integration with existing operation. So diyan makita saan pag-manage ang usa ka company. So overall, kung i-summarize, overall, those difficulties of company may need to conduct through market research and analyze the building relationship with local partners and suppliers, establish robust system for linguistic finance and technology. So mag-monitor and adapt to change market condition by understanding those common difficulties and taking proactive steps to address them. Companies can be increased of their chance to success of their global expansion effort. So by that, kaning mga difficulties, 13 difficulties possible sa imong company. So decrease by analyzing and build relationship with logistic finance and technology and monitoring to adapt changes market condition by understanding those common difficulties and taking proactive step to address the companies and increase for chance to success in global efforts. So and that's all for my report, and thank you for listening, and God bless.